Looking for an access system that works with real people, not just badges, codes, or gadgets? Meet FRP Hospitality app. It's built for businesses that don't have time or budget for complex setups. It helps you save thousands by eliminating costly wiring and messy installations, controllers, vendor lock-ins, and overpriced hardware, plastic cards, fobs, and other throwaway junk, endless staff training on outdated Windows-style software, and the big one, not knowing who's coming and going. This isn't some enterprise monster with 5-day deployments. FRP Hospitality Access Control runs on Android. You install it yourself in minutes. No integrators, no cloud dependencies, no SLA headaches. It runs on off-the-shelf gear, stuff you can find at your local electronics store. And it gives you real-time visitor logs, face-based access, and simple alerts right where you need them. Retail, clinics, fitness, hotels. Whether it's one door or 500, this just works. Simple, private, scalable. Like what you see? Hit like and subscribe to stay in the loop. Questions? Reach out at Bax at frp.ai and visit frp.ai to learn more.